Lights on. Whirlpool dishwasher. Verifying water leak of sump recirculation pump motor installed. At this time, there's no water leakage from fill hose. Drain ports clamp. And in the rear, here, right here, there, and nor there. Verifying installation, checks good. Ride motor or recirculation motor. Number one concern is unforeseen water damage for a homeowner's liability claim. You always want to take your time to verify that there's no water leakage or any unforeseen water damage that could be easily a homeowner's liability claim of $10,000 or more when replacing any of your dishwasher components. Drain pump. If there is going to be a leak, usually it's going to be at the 6 o'clock position, right about there, or right about there, on your clamps, or underneath here. I always like to use RTD sealant in addition to any type of radiator hose clamp. These are good clamps, but radiator hose clamps are a lot better. So when I get these type of scissor clamps, compress right here, there, and there, I would use RTD sealant underneath the base here to get a watertight seal for extra reassurance. Never be in a hurry nor a rush when dealing with water systems. Water breaches are very expensive. Even though most of them are covered by homeowner liability claim, but you never want to have to use your insurance Also check your base seal right here for your sub base. Because these are always done by uninstalling the dishwasher completely, doing the repair, and then reinstalling the dishwasher. Dishwasher operation appears to be good. No issues of water breach in your sub area right here. The drain hose clamps. Or any type of sensors, ports. Looking for any water driplets. frame or floor. At this time, no breach is evident or obvious or shown at this time. Water valve checks good. No water underneath where the water valve port comes into the dishwasher at, which would be that black hose right there. And water would be dripping about right here if that was an issue. Appears to check normal, checks good. Checking for drain. Drain checks good. Have a good water flow. Drain hose, port to garbage disposal checks good also. Dishwasher is receiving water, washing, and properly draining. Dishwasher checks good.